To all of you watching us right now, I'm here at the Camping World Stadium, or you can also say Orlando Citrus IT today, June 8th, 2016, at the Copa America Centenario USA 2016. And let's see who's gonna win the game today. And you guys have fun. And it's really, the weather is a little bit different here. It's not very cold, it's kind of humid and good weather, and that's something very nice to say about. And I really like this place. It's cool. And you have the flags of the participating countries. New for reporting live here for the news 2.